Hi everyone, I am Tamilarasan final year BPT. Today we will seeing about Cockup splint. Cockup splint is the one of the type of upper limb orthosis. It immobilizes or stabilizes the wrist in neutral or mildly extended position with volar or dorsal support. It allows the fingers and thumb motion and it should wear all the time except during exercise and bathing. It may be static or dynamic. There are two types of Cockup splint. The one is static Cockup splint, the other one is dynamic Cockup splint. Static Cockup splint. This name indicates it keeps the wrist and fingers in static position. In this position, the wrists are extended and the metacarpals are semi-flexed and the fingers are almost straight. It is very useful in treating the contracture and tightness in the wrist flexor muscles. This is usually seen in paralysis cases like hemiplegia. The contracture and tightness are released by static Cockup splint. Dynamic Cockup splint. Dynamic Cockup splint has both rigid component as well as dynamic component, which can be used to exercise the finger and restore the mobility and muscle tone. For example, wrist drop. If the patient gets radial nerve injury, cause wrist drop due to paralysis of forearm extensor muscle and overacting of forearm flexor muscle. You can prevent this deformity by use of dynamic Cockup splint. The splint maintains the wrist in extended position as well as it allows the wrist movement, so it restores the motion and muscle tone. The dynamic Cockup splint has three parts. The one is finger extension support and the another is Cockup base mean body. The other portion is spring portion. The spring portion maintains the wrist in extended position and allows the finger and wrist motion. Next we will seeing about indication for wrist Cockup splint. The following conditions are treated by use of wrist Cockup splint. They are wrist drop, hemiplegia, after extensor tendon repair, distal forearm and wrist fracture, wrist sprain, post-operative wrist fusion, post-operative skin grafting, burns, post-operative scar release, wrist contracture, etc. Advantage of wrist Cockup splint. It is lightweight and it is economically cheap. It have well padded inner surface for patient comfort. It is unbreakable and easy to washable. Next, disadvantages of wrist Cockup splint. It interferes with tactile sensibility on the palmar surface of the hand. And dorsal stab can impede the lymphatic flow, so it decreases the lymphatic drainage. I will thank to our principal and staffs for giving this opportunity. Keep smile always. Thank you.